Hey guys, I'm in the shop here and I had to roll a piece of this aluminum pipe. We use this Harbor Freight tubing roller, and I thought I'd show you how we got it set up and a couple modifications we've had to do to it. We just welded on the bottom a flat piece of scrap steel, and then we just put that in our vise and clamp it down, and that holds it in place good enough for what we roll. The majority of the stuff we do is pretty thin wall stuff. This particular piece here is actually Schedule 40 pipe, so it's almost 1/8 inch wall, which is a little bit more for this tight of a roll than this roller really wants to do. One of the things over time that happened is this top plate is what is threaded. It doesn't have a nut or anything up here, and it's just this plate here that's threaded. And rolling some of these heavier pieces over time, that ended up getting stripped out on me, and actually the piece of all thread stripped out too. So what I ended up doing is drilling that hole out that was threaded, and then that's a piece of all thread that I've got. I don't remember the size, 3/4 inch, something like that, and turned it on the lathe. I just copied what they had to where it would all just go back into that die there, and then just welded on a couple nuts there on top. So I had a little bit deeper reach on the socket, just a ratchet that goes on there, and then I can crank it down or up, whatever I need to do. And like I said, it worked really good for the thin stuff, but I know this heavy wall stuff was a little bit more than what this was probably designed for. And I ended up having to put a cheater bar on the ratchet to get it tight, to get that tight radius that I needed. But other than that, it's worked really well. And ever since I've welded that steel nut on there, and I haven't had any issues with it. So just wanted to show you that real quick and show you what we've done and how we use it. So thanks for watching.